Another important distinction is that any file you put in the cache has to actually be downloadable. If I put something in here that doesn't actually exist, and then try to update the cache again, you'll notice that I get a resource fetched failed event. And the problem is, this means that the cache is not being updated. It doesn't just fail to cache that one file, it doesn't update the cache at all. This is to make sure that sets of resources can be managed together, but be sure to watch the console log and make sure that you're getting the right things. The important point here is that the app cached contents are used immediately, even when you're online. The design of app cache is offline first. The user gets content immediately, rather than having to wait for the network to respond.